The LINX device is a novel device used to treat acid reflux or GERD. And what we do essentially is comprised of a ring of magnetic beads that allow the food to pass from your esophagus into your stomach, but then closes when you're not eating to prevent the harmful bile and acids from your stomach from going into your esophagus and causing damage. And again, one of the problems with acid reflux is a weak lower esophageal sphincter, or LES. And this LINX device can strengthen your lower esophageal sphincter and restore its normal function. So we use a specific sizing tool to customize the LINX device to fit your esophagus. And that way we can make sure that we best control your symptoms of GERD. So this is the LINX device. Again, it's a novel device used in the treatment of acid reflux, and what it's made up of is a ring that's made of titanium and magnetized beads, and these are calibrated to open with the pressure of a bolus of food, or when you eat a bite of food. It allows the food to pass through into the stomach and then snaps closed and prevents those harmful acids and bile from your stomach from going up and damaging your esophagus.